Hello, food lovers. Today, we're diving into a delightful treat that's both healthy and delicious. Easy oatmeal banana cookies with no added sugar. That's right. We're making a sweet, satisfying cookie without the guilt. Perfect for a quick breakfast, a snack, or even a healthier dessert option. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 ripe bananas, the riper, the better. They're the key to the sweetness of these cookies. Next, grab a cup and a half of rolled oats. These provide the hearty base and the fiber that makes these cookies so filling. Then, you'll need half a teaspoon of cinnamon for a warm, comforting flavor. A pinch of salt will enhance all the flavors and, of course, a teaspoon of vanilla extract to add a touch of sweetness and depth. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. Start by mashing those ripe bananas in a bowl. Make sure they're well mashed, with no big chunks left. Next, add in your rolled oats. Stir them into the mashed bananas until they're nicely combined. The mixture will start to thicken, which is perfect. Add the cinnamon, salt, and vanilla extract. Give it all a good mix until everything is well incorporated. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a tiny splash of milk or water. If it is too wet, add a little more oats. It all depends on your preference. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 175 degrees Celsius. While the oven is preheating, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will prevent the cookies from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Once your oven is ready, it's time to form the cookies. Using a spoon, drop rounded spoonfuls of the mixture onto the prepared baking sheet. You can make them as big or as small as you like. Just remember they will spread a little during baking. If you like, you can add some mix-ins at this stage. Chocolate chips, raisins, or even chopped nuts would be delicious. Just sprinkle them on top before baking. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Keep an eye on them. Baking times can vary depending on your oven. Once they're done, remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the cookies cool on the sheet for a few minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This will help them firm up. And there you have it. Delicious, healthy, no sugar added oatmeal banana cookies. These cookies are great because they're naturally sweet from the bananas. The oats give them a satisfying texture, and the cinnamon and vanilla add warmth and flavor. They're perfect for anyone looking for a healthier alternative to traditional cookies. These cookies are not only tasty, but they're also packed with nutrients. Bananas provide potassium and energy, while oats are a great source of fiber. You can store these cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. For longer storage, you can keep them in the freezer for up to a month. So, go ahead and give these easy oatmeal banana cookies a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. They are a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping things healthy. Enjoy!